training the beard is an important step that you should be taking when you start growing out your beard. Yet, time and time again, is one that most guys won't really take too seriously, or they don't really know what it is they should be doing. So hey Beardsters, Daniel here, and for anyone that doesn't know, I make a bunch of beard lifestyle type videos aimed at guys like you. For me personally, I've just hit week 11 of the beard journey that you've probably seen me doing now for the past 11 weeks. So hopefully these videos are helping you out, and if they are, it'd be awesome if you can drop a like, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. It's that little bell symbol and you'll just get notified every time one of our videos goes live. For this beard that I'm currently growing, I've been training the beard now for a good few weeks, but for some of you guys, you're probably thinking, training the beard? Like, what the hell does that mean? So let's go into what it actually means and how you can actually do it, because it's so simple. So training the beard is simply using a comb or your hands, and you're just going to brush or move the beard and mustache area into the direction you want it to sit. So for most of us, we have wild growth. The hairs kind of go, you know, they sprout out everywhere. So the word to train your hair is the best word possible, really. Like, imagine you have a small puppy or kitten or something like that, and you're trying to teach them new things, and it takes a lot of time, a lot of perseverance, a lot of training to get them to do one simple thing. And that's the same with your beard hair. And this is where a lot of guys go wrong. They kind of find out that to train their beard, they're meant to be brushing it in a set direction, maybe using a hairdryer to get it to hold its position. And they do it once and it kind of works for about 5 seconds, and then those hairs just move back to the original place. And then they whack a bunch of beard balm, or they might apply some beard wax or mustache wax that's got more of a hold, in the hope that when they brush that hair back through, it's gonna stay in that shape. And the worst case is for guys that are actually growing out their beards, maybe they're doing a year or doing some other sort of growing challenge or have some sort of other target, they then decide to trim the hair, because they know by trimming their beard, it suddenly becomes a lot more manageable. And you see this on the mustache a lot, but for this video, we're going to focus on the actual beard, not so much the mustache, because you kind of have to do things a little bit different. And I think the mustache kind of deserves a lot of love and respect. So we're going to do something in another video focused purely on the mustache, because I mean, I've got just some butter in today and the mustache has got a bit of a curl, bit of shape, and I think I'm getting it now. So the easiest way to start training the beard hair, the mustache hair, is to do so once you've had a hot shower or hot bath. As with anything we do around the beard, it's always best to do it once you've applied a bit of heat to it. It opens up your pores, it allows your skin to take in much more products, and it just makes the hair easier to work with. And once you've towel dried the beard, you want to get your comb and you just want to start brushing it through the beard. And the best way to do it is to brush and also have a hairdryer on the go at any one time. And this is quite simply how you would style your beard anyway. And you just want to continue to do this. You just want to brush it in the direction you want it to sit, and like focus on the chin region, which might fork out, or it might have hairs that are kind of going out to the side or something. Like, whatever your beard's doing, however you want it to sit, start moving the beard into that direction. And you want to do that a few times a day. Start off in the morning, style it, use your product, whatever you're using, get it into the shape that you want it to be, and then just make sure you maintain that through the day. So whenever those hairs start to go back to their original spot, just comb them back over, brush them back over, do whatever you need to do, get them back into the spot you want, and just do that day after day. and eventually that hair will start to naturally sit in that position, so you don't even need to use product to get it to sit in that position anymore. That's everything for this episode. Like we said, we're going to come back and we're going to talk just about the mustache in another video very soon. And guys, that's it. It's been good having you here. Thanks for your time and attention once again. And I think you'll have another video in a few days. I hope. Well, until then, goodbye.